What's up, Heather?
We're on our way to Johnstown.
Woohoo! Welcome back, YouTube. This is part 2, possibly 3, possibly the second to last day of our trip. We left Syracuse this morning. We are in, I wanted to say it said Vernon, but I want to say it's, but I wanted to say it was called, like, I want to say maybe it was Verona, but I don't know. No, Verona's to the left, so maybe we're in Vernon, and Verona's another town. Anyways, we are in...
Vernon, that's what the fire station just said.
Okay, then. Vernon it is. Vernon, I don't know. We are east of Syracuse in a town called Vernon, I'm going to go with. We are headed out to Johnstown today. We are... Hey, what's up, dude? We are on the ZX-6R and the Ninja 650, which they are both... Well, I don't know. Mine's due for its first service.
99 miles.
Really? Really?
I'm at 501.
Dear Lord, you need to ride more. I'm at almost 700 over here, almost 200 miles more than you. Well, awesome. But now we got to bring it in for a service. It's first service. Yeah, Vernon Downs, right? Yeah. And what's that? Oil change, check everything, make sure everything's in spec from the factory. Mine, again, won't go in until it's probably, I don't know, close to double what it's supposed to be, just because we have another couple hundred miles that we're going to be riding tomorrow, so we're going to put more miles on it. And from then we will we'll talk about our bikes and the little bit we've done to them and our first thoughts on them, really, because, you know, after the break-in we get to really open them up a little bit more. You know, there's tell you to keep them below a certain RPM, which you can and can't do. Sometimes you need to go over it, but try to take it a little easier on them. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video. There's probably just going to be a lot of cinematics like the last one, where it's just us cruising, sped up. We'll pause if we stop and talk, or if, you know, something happens, or if Heather gets caught in the face of a big bug.
Hit some more roadkill.
Oh, if we hit some more roadkill like last night, that was rough. Other than that, it's just going to be some cool music we picked out for you, and this cool ride sped up, because if I'm recording it, you get to watch it. Oh, that horse he's tired.
He's really tired. Normally you don't see horses laying down.
May have fallen over and just went, fuck it, I'm done. I've seen them flop before, like, you know, because they give themselves kind of dirt baths. I've seen them do that before, where they kind of just throw themselves down and roll around for a second, get back up. Might have been kind of what he was doing. That smells really good. Maybe we should have stopped there instead.
Oh god, that's good. Did you turn your camera on?
This is it?
Yeah.
Okay. This is Jurassic Park.
Maybe I can get this here.
car coming up. Stay right. A lot of bumpies though. Fuck. If you can help it, go left, but. They're pulling off the road. Nobody coming, so.
Quarter mile.
I'm just taking it at whatever corner I can.
I'm just putting my seatbelt on now so I can stop without having to worry about it. This shitty ass trying to get on.
You can just keep going, babe. There's nobody coming. Yep. Yeah, it's that down and up and.
1.5.
How many?
1.5. That one.
Yeah, let's do it. Ooh. Erie Canal Lock 33. I love this bridge. This is fucking awesome.
It's scary.
Really? Why?
'Cause I'm afraid I could fall off.
There's a boat over there. You're not going to fall off. You're on a bike. You're good.
Yeah, until I hit the post and then fall off.
Well, don't look at the post. St. Johnsville. Yeah, St. Johnsville. Train tracks. That's what we should do. Get some dirt bikes. Ride the train tracks from Buffalo to Albany.
Yeah.
I think that'd be illegal. Be fun though, right? You're like, man.